How to buy V-Bucks on PC with Steam gift card. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll address your queries regarding purchasing a V-Bucks gift card on PC using a Steam gift card. So there are various methods to acquire V-Bucks gift card. You can buy them directly through the Epic Game Store for the PC, PlayStation Store for PlayStation, Microsoft Store for Xbox, and eShop for Nintendo Switch. However, if you possess a Steam gift card, there seems to be no direct way to purchase V-Bucks through Steam or any alternative method to utilize the card on the Epic Game Store. Fortnite and V-Bucks are not accessible on Steam, indicating that converting the balance on Steam into V-Bucks is unfeasible. Your best option might be to exchange the Steam gift card for an Epic Game gift card with a friend for a fair trade. Remember, V-Bucks packages are solely obtainable through specific stores, and using a Steam gift card for this purpose is not viable due to the game not being available on Steam. If this video has addressed your queries, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.